Identifying.
The king of cakes. ChoppA for the win.
G'day guys, welcome back to Cakes by ChoppA. That's the first time I've said it in this room. Welcome to my new set. I am super happy with it. As you can probably see, it's a little refined. There's not as much clutter. Yes, let's not talk about that. What I do want to tell you about is this amazing shirt that I helped Nerdy Crafter design, and she is now currently selling on her YouTube channel. So the link is in the description if you want to get yourself a design that I helped her create. I'm super proud of it. And Jackie was so lovely to send me a couple of t-shirts. You'll see them in my videos. I love them. Jackie, you're amazing. One of the nicest YouTubers I've ever met. Now let's get back to the studio. So I'm going to be introducing more arts, crafts and review stuff as well as the cakes. The cakes are not going away. I'm still planning to do one cake a week, but if I don't feel like creating the cake or I'm not inspired by it, I'm not going to do it. There'll be a filler video that'll be something in the way of, actually no, I don't want to give it away. You'll see. The first couple of videos will give you a taste of what I want to do and where I want to take it. So I'm going to be including a vast array of new content, so I hope you guys stick around for it. Now if you want to see my studio, I'm going to show you around. You get to see the dual-sided studio, my drawings, my new backdrop, my lip couch is in here, but it's a bit of a mess, but we won't talk about that. I hope you guys join me on this journey because I'm going to have a lot of fun with it. Thanks for watching and enjoy the tour. Okay, we're going to take you on the full tour, so we're going to walk in. Here's my little sign from YouTube. Check it out. You see what I mean by huge? This is massive. Let's start with the cake set first. Now, this is what you guys are used to, but a little more cluttered. So you can see it's going to have a little toys. A lot of these things on here are very special to me. Like this is the Optimus Prime my sister got me. This was a gift from one of my students, Damielou family. I love you guys. Amazing. They gave me it. It means so much to me. It's an 84. Optimus Prime and obviously Bumblebee. Moving down to my favorite Madonna mug, my plaque, just lots of things like Louis loops. There's just my Michelle Morris TV autograph. Just all these things that make me super happy. Come along here, gotta have music. My favorite Ninja Turtle, look at him, he's amazing. And then we go up to more things that inspire me that I loved as a kid. My little plaque from Hannah, Storytell Cakes, I love it. And this is another present from the Blue family. I've just got all these things that make me super happy. Now I've got my picture of Pink Starless on the wall. There's my camera, that's my focus buddy. There's my lip lounge, which we said was a little bit of a mess, but we're gonna talk about that. Now I'll flip the lights around and show you over here. Oh, but there's more stuff that I absolutely love. My music DVDs. Ooh, so much stuff. Let me change these lights around and we'll talk about the art wall. Okay, so this is it lit up. Like the camera will be here. Obviously you won't see these side pieces, but why this is so special to me is I'm gonna be able to create the craft stuff I want to do, but these are drawings I've done on my iPad, except for this one. This face was created by Draw with Jazza, who I love, adore, and respect. He's such a cool dude, and it's really special to me because he's designed it and I tweaked it. So I just love it, and I'm gonna have lots of craft stuff here. This is just temporary because I need a new cupboard. I have a storage unit over here for all the caking equipment and YouTube stuff that I just don't have time to sort right now. But yeah, that's a little shrine of Madonna. Yeah, so that's it guys. This is the new studio, which I think you will love. I love it. Full 360 view. Don't know if the gimbal can handle it. Super cool. All right, so that's my new studio. I hope you guys like it. I look forward to showing you some cool stuff and having lots of fun in this room. I can't wait to get stuck into videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.